Alright, I'm looking for my wife, Lee's, and the Tim tracker. Astro orbiters will give us a higher advantage, so let's give that a try.
Prepare for liftoff.
There we go. Well, I've decided to try the Astro orbiter. We're flying. Hey, that's really cool. We have fireworks. Hey, we're going up. Oh, we're going up. Yeah. Wow. Going up. We're at the top. Where's Lee's? I can't find Lee's, but there's fireworks everywhere. Space Mountain. We're coming down. We're coming down.
Welcome back.
We landed.
Please remain seated until your rocket comes to a fully complete stop. Once it does, exit to the left of your rocket, follow the flight arrows on the ground back to the flight deck exit.
We didn't find Lee's, but let's continue looking.